Press down gently on your fabric, and the machine will start cutting those pills off. This is also good for sweaters under the arms where it tends to pill quite a bit. You just want to make sure that with delicate fabrics you don't press too hard or it might snag. You can see how easily this little gizmo is taking those pills off.